So basically, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's in advance to everyone wherever you are watching this channel from. And I'm sorry I've been busy, and I know this third class video tutorial ought to have been sent, to have been uploaded to the YouTube channel, and the link shared to you guys so you can check it out and the likes. I've been very busy, and I just want to apologize. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing this week 3, week 4, and week 5 classes in one. And since it's a pre-recorded video, there will be no one asking me a question or no one asking me to go back again. It's going to be much easier for me to move faster. Just feel free to reach out to me if you need anything you don't understand in the video. Reach out to me, I can explain better to you, or reach out to them for our community leaders. Like I said, from our last class, we ought to have, if not for the network issue that we are having, how to make a WordPress website responsive and SEO basic and ranking and the like. Okay, so I'll be looking at my second screen quite a lot because I have other stuff I'm doing on my second screen, but don't mind me, everything will be fine. Okay, so I'll make sure everything I'm doing is displayed on this screen. I think that's just the basic things I think you guys should know. So moving forward, let me log into one of our student accounts because I'm currently not with my phone that has the authenticator for my own UP account. So I've used one of the student accounts, okay, for this practice. Okay, so today what we want to do is how to optimize your website. Now I know for the past couple of weeks we've been building your website, how to bring your LinkedIn profile and the like. Now we want to learn how to make your website fast. How to make your website fast. So currently, let's visit this site. Let's see what the student have done so far so good. Okay. So she actually went ahead and did something different from what we are doing. It is actually fine. There's no problem. At least she's challenging herself. So all these she needs to correct them. These are images, but it's because the images are probably too small for the what's it called? The width is too small to be displayed, or the picture images are too small. So the students can work on this. If you are the student and you are watching this video, you already know is what you did. So please, and I won't lie, this look amazing. Can you see? Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is amazing. This is looking cool. Well, let's check communities. Let's see what the person has done so far. Media centers, home. Well, the person has not done pretty much, but there's still no problem. I can still teach you guys with this little we have on the account, okay? Because what we are talking about is how to increase the speed of your website. You can see something like a ClearKit here. I think the page already has something like a ClearKit, the EasyWP. When she was installing her own, I think she installed the Yoast plugin as well. So I think that's why. So Yoast is one of. I'm sorry, please don't mind the sound coming from the kitchen. That's my mom cooking. At least I will have to eat too as well. Yeah, so that's just it. So she installed Yoast, but for our SEO to rank our website, I won't be using Yoast. I'll be using all-in-one SEO. which I prefer to use or rank math. Alright. So now let's go back to our dashboard. This is the guy working as the arc guardian or something. Click it. All these guys, let's go and check the plugin center to check the what is it called? The plugin responsible for this. Elementor Breezy, a free drag and drop front page builder to help you create WordPress pages lightning fast. I think she installed another page builder. What I told you about Elementor Pro. So you have Elementor, she has Elementor Pro, but she still went ahead to add Breezy page builder. Well, it's your choice. When you are learning, I made it specifically that I made mention of it specifically that this live or this career path, you have to be inquisitive. You have to think out of the box. You have to just do whatever you think is right. Most of the time, you will fail, but the remaining 20% of the time you do not fail. You have learned a new stuff. So what she did here is actually is a good cool thing. She made the research about how to build this myself, how to do this, and which is fine. But having two different page builder on one page is not really nice. Everything she is going to be doing with this Breezy page builder, I'm pretty sure she can do them with Elementor and Elementor Pro. All she just needs to do is to know how to do it. Okay. So one thing I want to caution you about plugins is plugin slow down websites if you have too much of them on the website. And sometimes plugins do conflict each other. Yes, they do conflict each other. Not all the time, but sometimes plugins do conflict each other. There are sometimes you will be having a what is it called a page optimizer on your website, and it's going to be conflicting your page builder. And you'll be wondering what's the cause of this error that I'm having on my website, that my layout is being scattered. You won't know it's the optimizer plugin you installed that is conflicting with your page builder. So a lot of different scenarios uh, whereby plugins conflict each other. There are a lot. There are a lot. So you just need to be careful of which kind of plugin you are installing. Is it compatible with what you are working with? And so on and so forth. There's no basic way you can know if a plugin is compatible with your page builder. You only try and see. It's just what is try and error. Okay, try and error. So I think we are looking for the page optimizer, right? I think short pixel image optimizer is one of the optimizer that she's using to increase her page speed. All these things, I don't think I actually teach you guys all this. I think you guys she came up with all this on her own, which is fine. She also set up in a WooCommerce, which is fine. If she knows how to use it, she can make her personal research and do like translate multilingual. This is fine as well. So all these are fine. We will change this host, we will change it to all-in-one SEO. So I'll go ahead and do what and deactivate it for now. Just for now. She can go back to the host if she preferred the host. Everyone has what they prefer. So I can like mods. I can say I like taking mods. Why someone else to say I like Coke. Someone else say I like Fanta. All these are I think all these are soda drinks, and everyone have their own preference, but they are still under the bracket of soda drinks. Okay, so that's same thing with this asking me anti-spam protection. I think you guys will need to subscribe to it because it's very good and it's prevents you from a lot of issues. So the number one page speed improver I like to use is Jet Pack. Can you see Jetpack with security, backup speed, and root, blah blah blah. So let me just install this. Install now. While we wait on that, I think there are other stuffs I can do for now. Let's install all-in-one SEO. While we wait for that. Okay, I think it's done. Let's activate it. Then all-in-one SEO instead of the used. All-in-one SEO. Yes, this is the guy we are looking for. Can you see rank math is next to it? Rank math is a powerful, is also a powerful SEO tool, SEO plugin. But I just prefer Yoast to it. Yoast, I prefer Yoast. That guy is very, 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 very awesome. So this is Jetpack. Start with Jetpack free, supercharge my website. Before I do this, I also show you the page speed. Let's check our website. This is another tool you use to check how your website is performing. Then you need to see how you can improve that. Yeah, I'm back. Whew. Wow, 11:30. The time is fast spent. This is 12. Why is saying? Can you see the performance is very low? Best practice is very, very low. I think it's because of the breezy stuff that is reducing the best practice. Because we are having two page builder on one website, which is very, 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 very wrong. Okay. So that's for the mobile, and it's showing you why this is so. So you can read that all that. You learn how to improve all these things yourself. You can actually reach out to ChatGPT, whatever error this guy is giving you, this page speed insight is giving you. Give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will tell you what to do to fix that on your website. Let it know which page builder you are using. Let it know the platform you are using. You know, you can be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a website and feed it to the what's it called to page speed insight to check it out, and it's going to give you all this error. Then you copy all the error and you feed it to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT views it and feel like, oh, these are the correction for you to make, not knowing you are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It might give you solution for WordPress. It might give you solution for different stuff. So be specific about what platform you are using to build whatever it is you are building. If it is code based, let the ChatGPT be aware of it. If it is WordPress, let ChatGPT be aware of it. If it is Wixie builder, let ChatGPT be aware of it. If it is GoDaddy, let ChatGPT be aware of whichever platform you are using. So it can suggest the best uh, approach to the problem you are facing. That's just the major reason. And I'm not a fan of one AI alone. I use multiple AI. I use ChatGPT. I use Cloud AI. I use Gemini. I use Copilot, depending on the task I want to do. For example, if I'm writing code, I prefer Cloud AI because I think for now, for me, they are the best for any code problem and the likes. Then for research purpose and the likes, I think ChatGPT is doing fine. And also for SEO, ChatGPT is doing fine, I think. But you can use Gemini AI too for SEO purpose and the likes because it's from Google. I think they should do better with the SEO. I'm not sure. I haven't tried with SEO, but I know it should be cool. Yeah. So now that's for the mobile. This is for the desktop. Can you see on the desktop the performance is amazing? This is awesome. Can you see that this page speed insight is looking at it? But we cannot view it because it is broken. The images are broken, but bots can read it. So the performance is cool, accessibility is cool, but best practice is very, very, very wrong. Very, very what? Very, very wrong. So then also the SEO. The SEO is amazing, 92. Although they don't even have any SEO on the website, but it's telling them the SEO is what? The SEO is amazing. So which is not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. So I think we can work on this best practice by just uninstalling the Breezy second page, blah blah blah. But I won't do that because I don't know whatever it is she's using that Breezy for on our website. So she can just check it out herself. And what we're working on this mobile performance, and this Jetpack can help us fix that. So I won't create an account with them. What I'll just do is I'll just go back. Let's go back. Since it's not my account, should assuming I'm doing this class with my account, I will have create an account. You guys should create an account, log in and do whatever you want to do. But for me, I won't create an account. I already have an account with them. So we are on the Jetpack dashboard. I'm pretty tired. Heaven knows I'm pretty tired. Can you see? One thing about Jetpack is it comes with different kind of tools embedded in it. Can you see? It's telling you the number of page views you've had in the past 30 days and blah blah blah. The number of likes, comments, and so can you see asking me anti-spam, connect AI to turn all these things need you to connect your account and the likes. But what me I'm more concerned about is using it for my site speed to improve my site performance. So I'll just what's it called? Go to plugin section. Okay, all in one SEO is done. Let me go back. All in one SEO is back. No thanks. So let me just go to the plugin section. You go back to all in one SEO later, please. So add new plugin. Where's the plugin? I just saw the plugin now. Yes, add new plugin. Then we just want the boost for this Jetpack. It's also from Boost. WST. Okay, this is not what we want. Let's just add Jetpack Boost. Jetpack Boost. Yes, here is this. Can you see it's also having the, can you see? So it's Jetpack Boost. That will help us increase our page performance and the likes. But it's not going to increase our best practice for us. Best practice is the means and method in which you use in building your website. You know, there are different kind of developers. We have some cunning developers. Everything just rely around what's it called? How creative you are. You know what I would do in 10 minutes. Some people will do it in 20 minutes. And one thing is uh let's say I'm going out now and I have different kind of watch. I have Apple Watch. I have Rolex watch. I have a leather watch. I have this. I have that. Blah blah blah. Now I'm supposed to choose the best fit of the watch that match my what's it called my dressing, and this is what this call is all about. Some will choose a wrong watch for the dressing. You will see the results here. Some will choose the best watch for the dressing. You will see the results here. It's going to give you 100% if you choose the best watch. So it depends on how you will achieve the results you are trying to get. Okay, your site, oh, you are done with the website. The website is looking fine. But how did you build the website? How many of the wrong practice do you use? How many of the bad practice do you use? There is a way you can write something that's going to be in short form, and there is a way you should write it that it's supposed to be in long form. But you just want to be a lazy developer. You just want to do it sharp sharp and leave. All these things we tell once it gets to paid speeding site. So for the sake of what's it called? For the sake of optimization, you want to use the best practice when you are building any website or anything. You would like to use best practice because all these matters when you are trying to rank your website high above any other website. Everything that the website is built on will be scrutinized, will be checked properly. So I think that's that. Let's move. Where are we? Okay, this plugin. Let's activate it. I will give you an assignment. Go and learn how to use Jetpack. Go and learn how to use. There are a lot of features in Jetpack. You have image optimizer in Jetpack. You have site boost. All these things are on the dashboard of this same. Can you see boost, social, forms, search settings? All these things, and there are free version of it too as well. So it's going to tell you. It's going to tell you. Jetpack is going to tell you your score before using it and your score when you start using it. Okay. While I wait for it to load, let's go down. Can you see critical loading runner blah blah blah? Can you see it's optimizing itself? But what I want us to do, optimize LPC images, optimize sketch sites, yes. If you're not using any external DNS provider, I would suggest you use this. But if you're using any external DNS provider, then I think you don't. To activate these features, your site needs to use a different URL structure instead of the current plain default. Oh, I think because you are using this, what's it called? Dot online or blah blah blah. But we can fix it. We can fix this. Premier link settings must be updated. For now, I don't want to do that because we are not using SSL. So all we are doing is not secure. So if it's not going to be using it, if it's not going to be working, then fine. But once you are using SSL, it's going to work itself. Then the define non-essential JavaScript. Yeah. Concatenate. Yeah. Concatenate CSS. Yeah. Image. All these things I'm clicking. Go and read it yourself and try to get to know more about it yourself. So don't just rely on me to spoon feed you everything. So I would have loved to use this because it's one of the major things that will what is it called? That will increase our search performance and practice and like. But since our practice structure is very bad, let's leave it. Then this regenerate CSS, always use it anytime you are done building your website. So it's going to go through all the pages on your website and the likes and regenerate everything used in building it. Try to correct whatever is wrong that they can correct. Can you see? 6 files generated a few minutes ago. Remember how to regenerate each time you make changes that affect your HTML or CSS structure. WordPress do use HTML and CSS too, but what you see at the front is drag and drop. But behind the scene, there is HTML, CSS, and the like going on. Okay, all these things are going on it. I think it also use PHP too. It also use PHP too. They use Java. Java actually basically stand on PHP. So let me regenerate this CSS. So it's going to take a while. It's going to ask you not to leave the page until it is done. So let's just leave it, and that's that about that. So that's how to optimize your websites. Okay, that's how to optimize. Fail to generate. What could be the problem? Well, let's wait for it to load and see if it fails at the end. So as I'm saying, this is how to optimize your websites. Simple as ABC. The other means, the other stuff you can do to optimize your website, like this page speed insight. Any correction is asking you to make, copy it, copy the error, rendering blocking, copy this, copy everything, fill it to ChatGPT, just this to here. Then copy it, paste it to ChatGPT. It's going to tell you what to do and the likes for the desktop, for the mobile, which is super cool. Now let's move to the major reason why we are here today, which is the search engine optimization. How to rank your website. Yes, I just activated my what is it called? All-in-one SEO. Check your right hand side. Yes, all-in-one SEO. That's why we are here. What's wrong? Our network is on. So what's the problem? These sites can't be reached. Connection was reset. Let me refresh and see if this is going to go. Okay, this is working fine. And I think it's the Jetpack, yes, it is the Jetpack that is doing all this. So take a good look at it. The desktop score before this boost is 78. After the boost, it's 88. The mobile score before the boost is 22. After the boost is 35. It's 35. It's 35. So then you generate, do everything you want to do, then you optimize it and blah blah blah. That's all. I think there's a problem going on from the back end. Is there a way I can cancel this regenerating? There's fire on the mountain. This guy that is not letting us do what we want to do. So okay, let me just let me stop the class here for class 3, and in class 4 I'll teach you how to use search engine optimization like all in one SEO. Thank you. I think this basically with this you know how to optimize your website to increase the site speed, uh, how to work on the page, how to optimize the page, blah blah blah. Check your site performance on page speed inside and the likes. So I think class 3 should end here. Then once the what's it called, the problem is fixed, class I will start class 4. And thank you for watching this. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.